tonight, what's for dinner? I'm gonna be showing you the easiest Mexican chicken bake. It's super simple. I tried this recipe already and my family loved it. So I wanted to make it again and of course film it so I can show you guys, because I know I am always looking for an easy weeknight recipe, whether you're coming home from work or even if you're not and you just want that easy recipe. So this is perfect and it's super, super good. So here's everything you're gonna need. So you're gonna need about 6 to 8 chicken breasts, pretty thin, and this night I just picked it up at my meat market because the chicken was on sale. So it worked out. You're going to need 14 ounces of green chilies. I actually got mild. My grocery store had the 10-ounce can and a 4-ounce can, so that's the 14 ounces with the juice. Do not drain the juice. You're going to need 8 ounces of sour cream. You're going to need, the recipe actually calls for 3 cups of Mexican shredded cheese, but I only have, this is 2 cups. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 1 cup in my mixture and then reserve the other cup to put on top of the chicken before I bake it. You're going to need a little bit of olive oil, some butter, and then to garnish it, you're going to need a chopped tomato or whatever you'd like. And I got some cilantro, and I'm gonna chop up an avocado and just sprinkle it on top. It's cheesy goodness. It's super, super good, and I know you guys are gonna love it. So now I'm gonna show you, the first step is to cook up the chicken. I'll take you guys to the stove with me, and then I will show you the rest of the steps from there. So you're going to take a large pan and place it over medium heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. I used olive oil. And then you're going to cook the chicken in batches for about 3 minutes per side or until golden brown and cook through. Also, if you don't have one, I love this oil splat guard. It keeps my stove and me clean and safe. Then you want to repeat with the second batch of chicken, adding more oil as needed. Okay, so now that the chicken is all done, you want to go ahead and grease your baking sheet. So I'm just going to take some butter. Just grease the bottom of it. And now you want to just go ahead and start to make the mixture. So this will move over for later. So remember, you're going to use the juice. Do not drain this. Actually got this can is diced tomatoes and green chilies because, like I said, my store didn't have too much, and then this is just regular green chilies, so we'll make it work. Okay, now you're gonna need your 8 ounces of sour cream. And you're going to use your 1 cup of Mexican shredded cheese. And I'm just going to use 1 now and 1 once the chicken is in and ready to be baked. Okay. pretty much that's it. I'm just gonna mix it up really well. It smells so good. I love the smell of green chilies. So now that that's done, you want to go ahead and layer the chicken in. And the guy in the meat store did make them a little thin. I would have preferred a little bit thicker, but I will just keep it in the oven maybe 5 minutes less because they're so thin. But you just want to go ahead and layer them. You can overlap them a little bit if you need to. And now, you want to go ahead and layer all of this on. So you just want to spread it around. And then, once that's done, you're going to want to go ahead and put the remainder of the cheese. So your 1 cup of shredded cheese on top, and then you're going to be ready to bake. And then you'll put your toppings at the end when you take it out of the oven. I'm just going to go ahead and do it with my hands. So you're just going to want to spread it around, make sure it's even. And it's gonna go in the oven. I have mine on 375 for about 15 minutes, but you can judge it according to your oven. Like I said, these chicken breasts are a little bit thin, so I think I may leave them in maybe 10 minutes. You can just tell when the cheese starts to get a little brown and the sauce kind of bubbles at the edges of the pan, so you know that it's ready. So I'm just gonna put it in the oven and I'll show you guys once I take it out. Okay, so it's actually done and the sides are bubbling and it looks really, really good. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my toppings on. So I just chopped up an avocado and I have my tomato and cilantro. And I'm just gonna throw everything on top. And you can kind of just spread it out. Smells so good. So basically that's it, guys. It's super easy, super delicious, cheesy goodness. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just gonna serve it with some white rice and dinner is done. Thank you for watching. I hope that you like this video. Please let me know in the comments below if you're going to try this recipe. Please subscribe if you have not done so already, and I will see you guys again real soon in my next one. Bye.